Are you videoing this, Steve? No videos allowed.
Just take a photo. Styling.
Apple figure phones.
That phone's not looking registered to me.
I think I wait for the longest 10 seconds to view live. Give it a moment to sit, dude.
Sit, dude, okay, yeah. Keep watching, keep watching.
You don't have any security.
See anything on that screen yet?
I think I forgot.
No caller ID yet, no caller ID. 3 minutes 17 at the moment. 3:17.
This is why you didn't go off at the beginning.
Oh, we've given him a polycom phone.
So Life's only got to make the SIP phone ring with the right caller ID at the moment.
Something your SIP can take.
There it is.
Still no caller ID.
There you go.
3:55.
Is it there?
No, it says analog.
Oh.
Nothing there.
I got the contacts wrong.
Time check! Time check. It's in the dark.
Dim the lights, yeah.
4 minutes 9 seconds.
I know. Here we go. You're so close.
Analog
dude.
You got it. Come on, man. One more ring.
4:34.
All right. Respectable.